You guys, I got the ultimate sleep mask. It is all around experience that improves your sleep, health, and well-being. It has smart sensors for user experience. It has a Zen mode built in for, different audio contents for night's relaxation. The box is super cute, but most importantly too, is that it does have a battery life up to 7 nights. So you can take this with you on your trips. This would be really cool on a flight. It has very soft cushions for it to feel so soft, and it has a strap for you to be able to measure it to your head.
It comes with a Type-C USB cable, looks durable and solid, and a laundry bag to wash the hug cushion for hygiene purpose.
It's just what I needed to be able to sleep a little bit better. It is also eyelash friendly. It does have a really nice cushion and zero eye pressure, which is so important.
A glow light bar inside, the on-off button in the middle, the Zen button here. Yeah, let's try to put this on and meditate for a little bit now. Press the start button in the middle. You can adjust the volume, depends on your needs. Let's follow the glow light and do some breath work now.
Very relaxing experience.
Wow. This is so amazing. It's 100% blackout and I can't see any lights coming in, so that I can follow the glow light bar inside and to focus on my breath meditation. Get your Aura sleep mask now. Bye.